Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïakhun University, Meghalaya.
MLA ka Kliat constituency uba Kermanshela haka arpunru terik ujeliu ahaja punriu ulaong bak Sorkar jela kadang Ïakhun patri sitom nak benta ban Weng ya ka Jingeh jongkin Nongtih Dewïong bat ongru baya ka open cast mining kabal ajing bed dak Sorkar India an omla satya ban pentri kam ha East Jingeh Hills nakadaw ka jinglong jingman jong ka jaka haka jingekren begilat patai khubor uba ksela ula kentu yaki pai ba bikin nong ki bayaisha kat ba ka Sorkar kadang sei la ka kam.
Now the government is doing the job. At what level I don't know, but the government is doing the job. So we cannot expect also just in number of days that thing will happen. But we give the government time that let the government do the needful, and then maybe in a matter of time they'll deliver us what has been done. All those things will apprise us. As of now, the government is doing the job. It is underground mining, but it might not be exactly with the other state because Asim is we have a small scene, but still we are ready and plus we are willing to go along with the scientific plus as per the guidelines provided by the central government, but it should be feasible in our area. Recently they have given us, no doubt, the open cast mining. This we have seen and we tried it also, no doubt. We accept it and we tried and it cannot be implemented. After seeing this, it cannot be implemented in our area. That makes us to request the government to do some change. Otherwise, if it would have been feasible, why would we need alternative? We would have done the same. But seeing the condition and the existing that cannot be implemented, that makes our people, makes them realize that this is not happening. Let's go and request the government to give us a new thing and an alternative where we can do mining as per our areas required.
What is the next course?
I really don't know what's the next, but Chief Minister knows the best regarding this. But our duty, being especially my people from East India and the forum of the state, we have done our job, our part by submitting the memorandum to the Chief Minister and the way of mining, how we went about it, and after that, the rest lies with the state government and the court.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.